On my walk, I passed a tree, and the fragrance was so captivating I had to stop. I've now learned that it's an Eve's necklace tree. It has beautiful blooms. It's a deciduous tree that grows round or in a vase shape. It thrives in any soil type from zone 7 through 10. Its height is 15 to 25 feet tall. It has dark, luscious green leaves that appear in the springtime. The flower buds also appear in the spring and open to showy white and rosy pink blooms that dangle in clusters like wisteria. The fragrant blooms stay on the tree from March through May. During the summer, the blooms give way to segmented seed pods that look like beaded necklaces. These pods are poisonous to humans and should never be consumed. Yet, this beautiful Eve's necklace is beneficial to native wildlife. They attract bees and butterflies, and birds build their nest in its branches.